is whenever the brake was being pressed, yeah. Whenever the brakes were being pressed, yeah. Oh, look at this classic Beetle, man. This guy knows his stuff. Look at that. Oh, look at this E46 as well. Nice, man. But yeah, what was going on with that thing was, whenever the driver was braking the bus, yeah, the axle would develop this weird noise. And I noticed that with another MMC. You know, 36641, it does the same thing. Or at least did it at one point. Then also there's a YX15 down Romford. YX15 E200 MMC. Yeah, that does the 499 in that. It does the same thing, I think it's 36601. But they do this thing where they make some weird grinding noises when the thing's being braked. For some reason it only happens when the bus is braking. Well, I know it's got something. I know it's definitely something to do with the differential, because you can hear it from the center, and the differentials are located around the rear wheels of the bus. You know, they're located around that part. That's why you saw me standing around that area. You know, so that I could get a clearer sound of it. Because if you look at my last clip, yeah, I was sitting from the back, and the noise wasn't as audible. So I had to get closer to where the sound was coming from, because that's where the differentials are located around. But yeah, it's interesting to see these things age day by day, man. I hope to see one day that one of these develops an exhaust leak. Same for the E400 MMCs at TL, you know, or one gets the classical, old school Voifine, man. That'll be beautiful, man. I can't wait for that day. I know it's gonna happen, man. No one believes me, but it's gonna happen. Trust me. There's gonna be a day you hear MMC, yeah, with the classical voice tune that we all know and love. Trust me, it's gonna happen, bro. It's going to happen.